21st century facts. The rise of a global economy marked the beginning of the century. The NATO interventions in Afghanistan, the United States led coalition intervention in Iraq in the early 2000s, and the overthrow of several regimes during the Arab Spring in the early 2010 seconds led to mixed outcomes in the Arab world, resulting in several civil wars and political instability. The 2022 Russian invasion of Ukraine became the largest conventional military offensive in Europe since World War II, resulting in a refugee crisis and disruptions to global trade. The United States has remained the sole global superpower, while China is now considered an emerging superpower. In 2022, 45% of the world's population lived in some form of democracy, although only 8% lived in full democracies. The United Nations estimates that by 2050, two-thirds of the world's population will be urbanized. The world economy expanded at high rates from $42 trillion in 2000 to $94 trillion in 2021. Though many economies rose at greater levels, some gradually contracted. The European Union greatly expanded in the 21st century, adding 13 member states, but the United Kingdom withdrew. Most EU member states introduced a common currency, the euro. The North Atlantic Treaty Organization, NATO, was also greatly expanded, adding 13 member states. Effects of global warming and rising sea levels exacerbated the ecological crises, with 8 islands disappearing between 2007 and 2014. Stay tuned for part 2.